Now I want you to imagine, what if you can make money online by just reading words? In this video, I'm gonna show you but actually teach you how to make $200 up to $1,000 by just reading words online. And you might be wondering why you should watch this video, because first of all, these tactics today is 100% free and it is working worldwide. And secondly, you will learn everything you need to begin getting started, all the process, all the information, all the step-by-step strategies, so that you can begin earning after watching this video. And also you will see exactly how much you can make and how easy it is, and you are gonna I want you to look at this. I want you to see with your own eyes how much money you can actually make. I'm really excited because this opportunity today that's gonna pay you so much money by just reading. I'll show you exactly how it works. You don't need any experience, any technical skills, or any qualification to do this at all. Now look at this, $1,000 within 40 minutes or up to 60 minutes, and we're just gonna calculate on the upper end. We're gonna need an hour, okay, 60 minutes, and we are gonna make $1,000 consistently on the minimum end. So let's go on to the online calculator and see. $1,000 divided by 60 minutes, you are able to make $16.67 per minute, you guys. Every single minute, $16. If you do it for an hour, you're gonna make $1,000. And I want you to imagine real quick working for 1 hour and making $1,000. How could that change your life? How could you use those money? There are a lot of money, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. But you have to watch this video until the very end, because I'll show you a few strategy and how to sign up, how to get approved, how to make more money even you spend the less amount of time. This is very important. I want you to pay 100% attention, because a lot of people, they do it wrongly, and at the end of the day they are not making any money, and I don't want that to happen to you. So first of all, I want you to go to voices.com. Once you land on this website, you will see exactly look like this. They have been featured on Microsoft, Shopify, Discovery Channel, GoDaddy, Hulu, Cisco, Los Angeles Times. So many big brands and companies, they are definitely legit. They are paying out to people every single day. You're gonna receive all of the payments in PayPal money, in check, into your bank account. So many different methods. It works in many different countries. So basically on this website, they're gonna give you a lot of different projects from different categories, which I'll show you which categories should you pick on that's gonna give you the most amount of money. And also you can select on a whole list of different projects. I will show you what it looks like. So once you select your favorite project, they're gonna give you the script, the templates, the book, all the words that you just gonna read them words by words, and you have to record your voice, and they're gonna pay you all the money depending on how long is the project. You can do it for 20 minutes, you can do it for an hour, you can do it for 15 minutes, whatever it is. There are unlimited jobs on this platform, because there are a lot of websites out there that you can do some job, but they are not consistent. Maybe today you are not making any money at all because their job is so limited. But on voices.com, there are so many categories, there are so many jobs that you can pick them up. Even if you have 5 minutes a day, you don't have a lot of time, maybe you have 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you can still pick up certain jobs. You can do it, and you can instantly earn all of this money by reading them. And the second question that I receive is that, hey Branson, I don't have a microphone, because all you need is just a basic earphone or your phone. You can use your iPhone, you use the Android phone, you can record using your voice by speaking to your phone. And you don't have to show your face, you don't have to show your identity. They're just gonna use your voice on their ebook, on their audiobook, on their TV, on their videos, and they want to hire people like you and I to just speak out loud, to read out all of these words and script. We don't even have to write anything, okay? We just have to read out all of the books and script that they provide us. So that's all you need, okay? That's all you need. And right now, let's go back to the website. I'll show you how you can sign up, and also how you can get approved, get verified, and also how you can find the best project that's gonna give you the most amount of money, and how you can actually apply for different jobs and getting paid right after watching this video. So now step number one, I want you to hover your mouse and go on to click on this sign up button on the top right hand corner. Once you click on this one, they're gonna pop up a new page. You're gonna see sign up for free. So there are two options right here, post a job and hire a voice actor. So on this case, we are gonna become a voice actor to read out those words. Okay, we're gonna select on this, the second options, and we have to put in our name, our email, phone numbers, and also a username. You can put whatever it is. Just click on this, I agree to this, please keep me updated, and click on this get started button. That's all you need. So after you sign up for a free account, you're gonna see many different jobs on your dashboard once you log in. For example, e-learning, for example, explainer, video, cartoon, audiobooks, digital advertising, video games. There are so many different categories. So right now I want to show you which are the categories that has the most amount of job. They're suitable for any beginners, and it is working in so many different countries from US, India, Nigeria, Philippines. They are working from all over the world that you can select them. So the number one category that you should pick on, which is audiobooks. Okay, audiobooks, they're gonna give you so much money. And the second one, which is explainer video, they're gonna pay you the second most amount of money. And also last but not least, the third recommended category, which is video games. Okay, so I want you to just focus on audiobooks, explainer video, and also video games, because these are the top three categories that has the most amount of job, and also at the same time pay you the most amount of money with the least amount of time that you spend. So for example, we're gonna select audiobooks. In this case, once we click on that, they're gonna pop up a new page. So here are some of the example of people they are working online, working from all over the world, that's making money on voices.com. There are girls, there are female, there are people from many different countries. So I know that I have a lot of subscribers from the US, from the India, from Philippines, from Nigeria, from Pakistan. So right now you can see on the language section, you can see they're accepting people who want to reading online from maybe from the British, from the North America. Maybe you are speaking Hindi. Okay, you can speak on Hindi, they still want to hire you. So no matter where you are in, maybe you are from African, okay, Africa, and they do offer job for English Africa, South Africa. There are so many job opportunities that you can begin reading online on voices.com by reading those scripts, reading those words, and getting paid depending on the hours that you are working in. So if you want to make more money, you're gonna select jobs that has maybe 60 minutes at least, so that you're gonna get paid for $1,000 every time you do one project. So right now I want to show you some of the job opportunities that are available once you logging in. This is on their back office, right? As you can see right here, they have so many jobs that you can participate in. Let me scroll down, like unlimited, right? So for example, today they have over 200 jobs that you can pick up every single day. They're gonna keep on refreshing this page, so you can keep on logging in and see which one you prefer. So like what I told you, right, the most recommended category for voices.com is on audiobooks. So let me show you one quick example using audiobooks and see how much they are paying us. As you can see right here, $1,000 compared to other job, $100, $125, $100. Usually project around audiobooks, when you read those books, okay, they're gonna give you all the script, all the template. You just have to read them up and record using your phone, and you are going to get paid $1,000 by doing that. And also the second most famous category is around video games. So this is one example of the script around video games that they are going to give you. So once you select project around video game, this is the sample script they are going to give you, and you have to read them. Okay, so they're going to show you who is the client, who are the age, gender, male or female, and also some job description. They're going to describe what you should do. And also, for example, as you can see right here, Alex wake up on the stone floor. Oh, where am I? Right, Alex try to get up on their feet and realizes their head is pounding. So these are some of the example of the script that they are going to give you for free, and you just have to read them out, and you are going to get paid by doing that. So if you actually download their apps on your Google Play Store or your iPhone, you know, your App Store, this is what it's going to look like. They're going to give you a script, and you can hit that record button on your phone. You can record your voice, you can read them out loud. That's how it makes things so simple. You can download this. This, for example, on the Google Play Store, you can search on voices.com. The logo looks like this. You can download this for free, and you can begin working on that. They're going to show you your profile pictures and also some of the jobs that when you pick them out, for example, this one, Marvelland Batman, they're going to show you are going to get paid $500 if you read this audiobook out loud. And as you can see right here, there are so many jobs opportunity for